Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we shall discuss the question answer of the chapter The Solitary Reaper. This poem is written by the poet William Wordsworth. Question 1. What is the central idea of the poem? The answer is sweet music appeals to all. Question number 2. The setting of the poem is the mountain regions of Scotland. Question number 3. Who are the people described in the poem? The poet and the solitary reaper are described in the poem. Question number 4. Who does the expression Highland Lass refer to? Why does he describe her as yon solitary Highland Lass? Here, Highland Lass refers to the solitary reaper whom the poet saw in the valley. The poet described her yon solitary Highland Lass because the girl was alone over there. Besides, he knew that the girl must be a native of that mountain region. Question number 5. What is the girl doing? The girl is cutting the grains and binding them, and at the same time she is singing a song. Question number 6. Who does the poet say, stop here or gently pass? Why does he say so? The melodious song of the girl appeals to the poet. He says, stop here or pass gently to the passers-by. He says so that the girl will not be disturbed. Question number 7. Pick out the words which tell that the girl does not have anyone by her side. The words like solitary, single and alone tell that the girl does not have anyone by her side. Question number 8. What is the tone of her song? Happy, sad, soothing or sympathetic? The tone of her song is soothing. Question number 9. Overflowing with sound. Explain. The poet finds a young girl singing an enchanting song in a loud voice. The entire valley is flooded with her beautiful voice. Question number 10. The solitary reaper's song reminds the poet of other singers. Who are they? The solitary reaper's song reminds the poet of other singers. They are the nightingale and the cuckoo. Question number 11. Who sings welcome notes? Where, for whom, what for? The nightingale sings welcome notes in the shady places among the Arabian sands for the tired travelers to welcome and soothe them. Question number 12. Whose voice is thrilling? The voice of the cuckoo bird is thrilling. Question number 13. Where does it sing? When? It sings in the most remote group of islands of the sea in Scotland in spring. Question number 14. Who does Wordsworth compare the farmer girl with? Why? Wordsworth compares the farmer girl with the nightingale and the cuckoo bird because her tone was as melodious as the cuckoo's and nightingale's. Question number 15. The peasant girl's song is not intelligible to the poet because her song is in a dialect he does not understand. Question number 16. What does the phrase humble lay mean? The phrase humble lay means ordinary song or modest song. Question number 17. The expression plaintive numbers refers to sad music. Pick out another phrase in the poem carrying the same meaning. The expression plaintive numbers refers to sad music. Another phrase in the poem carrying the same meaning is melancholy strain.